Hello everyone. So backtracking playlist లో మనము చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసాము అండ్ యా లెట్స్ ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలో చూద్దాము అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ రైట్ ఇన్ మిస్ అండ్ లిటరలీ 1 2 3 videos of backtracking if you do that question you don't have to watch this question and explanation, just directly implement this thing ante, just directly implement this thing because ఈ పర్టికులర్ ఇనీషియల్ 1 2 వీడియోస్లో వీ హ్యావ్ లిటరలీ మనం ఈవెన్ అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్లో కూడా వీ ఫైండ్ లైక్ వీ స్టార్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ స్టార్టింగ్ అండ్ లైక్ గోల్ ఇస్ టు రీచ్ హియర్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ద సేమ్. బట్ హియర్ వాడు పాత్ని రిటర్న్ చేయమంటున్నాడు వేర్ 1 రిప్రజెంట్స్ rat can move and 0 represents like you cannot move there, and the allowed directions were up, down, left, right. That's it. And in case I don't want to even explain this question much because if particular questions, a particular theme నికి అర్థం కాకపోతే do make sure you watch 1 2 of backtracking videos. I have explained a lot there. So yeah, let's continue to directly code this problem, but before that, see వాడు ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాడు, he says return path in lexicographically increasing order అంటున్నాడు. If there is no purchase related entity, that is fine. All right. So what is that? What is that exactly means? It means, అరే బాబు నువ్వు ఏ ఆర్డర్ కావాలంటే ఆర్డర్ కాదు, జస్ట్ మేక్ షూర్ అది ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్లీ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉండాలి అని చెప్తున్నాడు. విచ్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద అలో డైరెక్షన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్? సి వీ హ్యావ్ అప్, డౌన్, లెఫ్ట్, రైట్. You know, the only thing that you need to understand in this problem, how you call this recursion to make this thing అనేది మ్యాటర్. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు, అరే ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్లీ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో నువ్వు కానీ కాల్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే అండ్ డెఫినెట్లీ దట్ ఫార్మ్స్ దిస్ లెక్సికోగ్రాఫిక్. దట్స్ ఇట్ విచ్ మీన్స్ I'll start from D, then I'll go left, then I'll go what is the order of the like A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R and then U. Yeah, that's it by the way. So if you do this order, like first I'll go down, then I'll go left, and then I'll go right, and then I'll go up, this completely forms all the directions. That's it. If you call this way, like we are done with the question. So now fast ga implement chesedamo and yeah, mostly I'll try to directly code this up because already మనం ఇనిషియల్ వీడియోస్లో కవర్ చేసాము. బట్ I don't want to read you this question. Actually, I thought of giving you as an assignment, but initial videos lo manamu just, if you remember, IDE lo matrame we just coded up, right? We just coded up in a IDE only. Akada, if you remember, we have started all the way from down path and this thing, and then we do even what do we say, for each time for the down and left, we do even make skips of the portion, like how many that I supposed to jump at it every time. It's not something like I'll ended up 1 step down, I can go 2 steps down at each time, or like 3 steps down. So all the possible things that we have covered, right? So I just want to code this up and like submit so that నీకు ఇంకొంచెం బెటర్ క్లారిటీ ఉంటుంది అని స్టడీ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ బై ద వే దిస్ వీడియో అండ్ ద కమింగ్ వీడియో విల్ బి ఆల్రెడీ మనం like most of the portions that we have coded, but all I just want to show like how it works, like can we submit out, or that's it. So that's the only one thing that I want to show for this video. And yeah, if in case a problem already solve chesna, like already negadamaina, like yeah, you can mostly skip this problem. So what is the thing? First I supposed to go down, and then I supposed to go left, and then right, and then up. Yeah, perfect, that's it. So let's code this up. So initial ga vaadu, because of the 4 directions, I know that supposed to handle, yeah, it's completely fine. So I need a boolean visited array also is visited at that particular time that we are going to check, and I need to know from which column and from which row that I'm be coming for. And I can add on the go, or I can add at the last also, that also doesn't matter, right? Yeah, let's go with the global method, that is completely fine. So I'll take a list and I'll make this completely void, and here I'll just make a list. Yeah, first I'll create a new list that I can append these things. Array list, and then I'll start boolean is visited with maze dot length, by the way, and maze, they have given n cross n, right? Ikkada n cross n and ichadu question, so I don't have to worry. I just can reuse this m dot length, which is cool. So I just need to start from 1 here. See, if I what if, yeah, let's do that thing. So I'll start from 0 comma 0, but before that I just need to check whether my last whatever the reach element, whatever that I want to reach, is it 0 or not. If in case it is 0 there is no way that I can reach this cell, right? So there is no meaning of like even starting my question. So if in case my maze of better I'll take that, yeah, I'll declare the n also here. So int n equals to maze dot length. All I just need no n and n. If my n minus 1 of minus 1 is equals to 0, there is no meaning. I'll just return an empty, yeah, because we have already declared list, right? I'll just return list, which is an empty. If not the case, then I need to check radnms, and he didn't mention that the starting also can be 1, because I guess, yeah, 0 1 I find all the possible rats, and the starting cell and the ending cell, the rat could be there. The rat only moves to the cell that it can, the same cell or more than, uh, cannot visit the more than once, and like perfect, and return all the way. But he didn't even mention whether this starts with 0 or not, because he said it will comes here. But what if it is 1, like 0, it don't even move, right? Maybe let's try that also. What if the maze 0 of 0, the maze 0 of 0 kuda equals to 0 aithe. So in these two cases I don't want to do any of the portion, right? So I'll just pass my maze, and I'll pass is visited, and then I'll start from 0 comma 0. Once I have done, I'll simply return my list, which is globally there, and I'll just take that, and now starts here. uh, if in case, yeah, maybe it's better to use this n also here, and I'll be sending that n. All right. So if my row less than 0, or else my row equals to n, because I'll shift only one portion at each of the thing, I can do. If not, if you confuse, like I can do this thing, but not needed. Or column equals to 0, or else column greater than, or else like equals to n, I'll simply return, that's it, I'll simply return. If in case my row equals to n minus 1, and column equals to minus 1, sorry, n minus 1, then this is the perfect solution that I want. So in this perfect solution, what I need to add, I just need to add till now whatever the, yeah, I need a string also that holds my path. Yeah, perfect. And the initial path will be of nothing, done. So I'll be add whatever the list dot add my path. And you can ask me, అరే మరి ఇక్కడ n equals to 1 చెక్ చేస్తున్నాం, వాట్ ఇఫ్ అది 1 కాకపోతే, see, for that we are initially checking itself, so we don't have to check it, right? So if that's the case, now what is the thing that I need to make sure? The first thing, I can run it in a for loop, or I can split it that for loop. ఏదన్నా ఒకటే, but yeah, we will try to split it in the for loop so that I can attach this also. అలా కాకపోయినా you can make a directions in a one portion, and then you can add one more character of array that takes this particular portion, and then you can add that up, and then you can like literally compute like anything, whichever the thing that you felt, you just go with that, right? So maybe I can split this, because most of the videos in our backtracking playlist I have used for the direction portion for loop. So ఇక్కడ మనం split చేద్దాం. So I'll be checking maze, and one more thing, in case whatever the maze of that row or whatever the column అది zero అయినా కానీ there is no path, so let's simply return is visited. And yeah, by the way, along with that we just need to is visited of that row or for that particular column. It's true అయితే I don't want to re-return it. So if in case అది ఈక్వల్ కాకపోయినా or if in case అది ఈక్వల్ కాకపోతే first what do we say, yeah, I'll simply after is visited me of that particular row of that particular column, I'll making it as a true, and then I'll start by adding this is visited, and then simply row comma column anukundamu, and then and remains same, and now path we supposed to add, but before that we will try to copy paste, we will copy paste 4 times. Fine. So now what is the first thing that I need to do? Downward I need to go. To go downward, what I need to increase? I'll just need to increase row plus 1. Perfect. Next, what I need to go? I need to go towards the left side. So in that case, I need to do my column -1, and then I need to go up. I need to go right, which means I do column +1, and then all the way I need to go up, which means column row -1. That's it. This is the one thing that I need to make sure. So whatever the column that I have exist in my present thing, I'll do D, then I'll do L, then I'll do I'll do R, then I'll do up. That's it. Ante. So after these 4 things, once I have from this particular location, if I went all my 4 neighbors like up, right, left, down, I just need to reset my visited as unvisited. Maybe from other side I can come, from other way, other path I can come, so that yeah, that's it, I guess. Let's compile first. Like let's see initial test cases accept అయిపోతుందా లేదా అనేది చూద్దాము. And yeah, we got an error at 13, line number 13 is visited. Yeah, spell mistake, and here also the same way goes, spelling mistake. Yeah, all right, is visited spelling it's wrong, like okay, perfect. Now rerun, it's fine, just a typo error there. So the order it's supposed to be expected is did we have any, yeah, the our output is like null, we are not getting anything, and this supposed to be this thing. Why this? So we are creating a list of array, and every time I'm just adding once this is got, and like I'm just returning here also, okay, but still it's supposed to return, right? Fine, that's supposed to be like column equals to 0, but not a column like column less than 0, not equals to column equals to 0. That's again a small typo. It's a completely fine, like I mean, until unless the logic tabbu kananta varaku it's completely fine. How many syntax errors or like how many type errors that you're doing, let's see. Yeah, see, accepted, and yeah, accepted, that's it. And we have seen all this time and space complexity, how much it will take, and how much it will do, like in the initial videos itself. And like yeah, that's it for this video. And by the way, I guess the same kind of snippet I have shown in the Python too. So just take that initial video of Python stuff and like just copy paste here. There is nothing new that we have done here. All right. So the only one thing that you need to learn from this video is like lexicographical order, and the order like DLRU, like whatever the character alphabetic order that it is. So yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you. And